Hi. So this video is for non-Crowd1 members that wants to play Emperor Knights and needs to know how to use the code that I'm personally gonna give them in order to play the game. So for you to play this game, after you register, you're gonna need a code. Now, I'm gonna provide you with that code, so follow these steps, okay? And this is for non-Crowd1 members. If you're a Crowd1 member, this video is not for you. Go to another video and I'll put that in the link down below. Anyways, if you need a code and you're not a Crowd1 member and you need to know how to do it, you're gonna go to your Emperor Knights page. So this is on a laptop. It's gonna look different on a phone, iPad, or tablet, whatever you're using. But as long as it's a working device, it's fine. But this is on a laptop. So yeah. So you're gonna have to log in to your Emperor Knights account. So you're gonna go to the login page. This is what it looks like. It's gonna ask you for a username and a password that you've created. Now, keep those safe because if you lose them, you're not gonna be able to access your account. So once you type in your username and your password in the login page of the Emperor Knights, it's gonna bring you to this page. So this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna show your username, and it's gonna look a little different on the mobile device. So on the mobile device, I'll show you quickly. This is what it looks like. So once you logged in, it's gonna show your username and the mobile device. So this is what it looks like. But this is on a laptop. Anyways, what you're gonna want to do is go to upgrade. So you're gonna go to upgrade, and then you're gonna click on review. Once you click on review, you're gonna click on Emperor Knights, and it's gonna say total €9. But don't worry, you're not gonna have to pay anything. Just click on X, right? And then this is where you're gonna apply the code that I'm gonna give you. You're gonna type in the code here. Make sure you type it accurately. Once you do that, click on apply code and go to checkout. On the phone, it's the same thing. So you're on your phone, right? Now you're gonna see a button at the top. It's green and it says upgrade. Now click on that, upgrade. It's right here, upgrade. Click on upgrade. Right? Once you click on upgrade, it's gonna show this, right? It's gonna show this. Hold on. So you click on upgrade, it brings you to this page. Now what you're gonna do is click on this guy. Oh. This, and you're gonna click on next. So you click on them, click on next. And then over here, you're gonna type in the code that I gave you accurately. You're gonna click on apply the code. And after you apply the code, you're gonna click on checkout. Okay, so same thing on the laptop, phone, whatever device you're using, same thing. After you apply the code, you type in the code, you apply it, and then you check out, then you're gonna be able to play the game. But for you to be able to play the game on a mobile device, you're gonna have to download the app. So I'm gonna show you right now as well. So on the phone, you're gonna go to App Store, Play Store, depending on the device that you have. And then you're gonna search up Emperor Knights. So I search up Emperor Knights right there. And then you're gonna select this one over here. This one over here. Yep, the one with the EK letters. Click on that. You're gonna download it. After you download it, you're gonna open it. After you open it, you're gonna have to then log in with your username and your password. See over here, it's asking for my username and a password. Right? After that, after I log in with my username and my password, I'm gonna be able to see this. So this is where you play the game, and there's different levels you have to unlock. I'm not gonna tell you about it. That's for you to find out. But right now, I'm just telling you how to use the code so that you can play the game. Okay? So this is mobile. For you to play on mobile device, you have to go and download the app and play on the app. For the laptop, it's different. So on the laptop, I'll show you. So on the laptop, once you click on upgrade, okay, so like again, and you click on review, you click on this guy, and you click on next. Hold on. Do it again. Sometimes you have to reload the page. Has problems. Upgrade. On review. Click on this. Click on next. Hold on. Great. So you click on upgrade, you click on review, you click on the guy, you click on next, and then now you type in the code, you apply the code, you check out, then you're good to go. Right? Now you can play the game over here. So over here, click on play the game in order to play the game on a laptop or a computer. And now what you're gonna do is it's gonna bring you to this page, and then it's gonna ask for your username and your password, and then you're gonna enter it and you're gonna sign in. It's the same thing on your phone, but the only difference is that on the phone you have to download the app to play it. On a laptop computer, you don't have to download the app to play it. You just click on play, and then it brings you to the site, and then you sign in with your username and your password, and then you sign in, and then it brings you to the game, just like how it does on the phone. So that's all. That's how you register for the game with the code so that you can play. If you need more assistance on using the code to play the game, just reach out to me and I'll be able to help you. But this is it for this video. And yeah.